Hi, good day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel for Word Zone. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the number format of the text in the sale. So let's look at our example. This is the example of sales report. So by default, you can see the number format is set by the Excel as general, unless it is captured by the Excel as different type of format. So when you look at the first column, it is detected by Excel as number. So this is order number, no changes is required. And this one, quantity, is detected by Excel as general. So you can either remain it or you can change it to the different format. To change it, you need to go to Home tab and under the number selection, you can go to the number format and select on the number. So you can see it's being changed to the numbers. And to remove the decimal, you can decrease the decimals here. So for column C, it is the price. When you click on the column, click on the sale, it will detected by Excel as general. So we want the RM to be appear in front of the price. So to change it, you select the sale C, column C, go to number selection and select currency, and it will be changed to RM 10.9. So for sales, it will be in number format, but it is detected by Excel as general. So to change it, you go to the number selection and select as numbers. So it will appear as numbers. Or you can have another option which is change to currency. You will have RM appear now in front of it. So there is also another selection. You can change it to accounting. So it will be in accounting format, which with the RM aligned at the front. So for order that is auto detected by Excel as date. You can change it to longer or shorter format by selecting this selection. Short that this will be the short that format. If you wish to change it to longer that, you can select the longer that, and it will have the days in front of the numbers in front of the date, and also with the month in the longer format. Thank you. That is all from me. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.